ProDrive is one of the world's leading motorsport and advanced technology companies. Very famous for our motorsport activities over the many decades, but also doing a lot of consultancy work for automotive, aerospace and other sectors around the world. So ProDrive uses 3D printing for many different aspects of our work nowadays. It's not just prototyping, but we make a lot of production parts actually for our race cars and other programs actually. Of course we still use it a lot for tooling as well. Tooling and jigging is an obvious application for it, but actually more and more production parts get made by 3D printing because it opens up some interesting avenues to do different things. Yeah, we're very excited to be using VLM technology for 3D printing going forward. It's definitely going to open up some interesting options for us in combining the good resolution of the finish of the parts is key for a lot of visible parts, but also the strength and toughness of those materials, and particularly the flexible materials, which is going to enable us to use this technology in areas that we haven't been able to do so far. We're actually building and testing parts right now in that technology. We have a part for the Dakar program, which is part of the rear bodywork, which is a part that we've managed to make look a lot better with this. It's a visual part, so we managed to make it look a lot better with this technology, but also it's got significantly improved toughness, and we're looking forward to getting that on the test track pretty soon.